Junaid Khan is making his debut with quite the film Maharaj. This film is based on the Maharaj libel case of 1862. तब भी ये controversy cause कर रहा था और अब भी कर रहा है. The permanence of controversy sounds like a Percy Shelley poem that's waiting to be written. But let's get into it. Hi, I'm Pratiksha Mishra and you're listening to my review of Maharaj. The Maharaj libel case was primarily filed against two social reformers, पर इस फिल्म का फोकस एक इंसान पे है, करसन दास मुलजी. The libel case came after allegations and accusations of sexual misconduct against religious leaders. The plaintiff in the film, or the person who filed the case, is Jadunath Maharaj or JJ, who is a Maharaj of a sect of Vaishnavism. करसन का किरदार निभाया है जुनैद खान ने और जेजे का किरदार निभाया है जयदीप अहलावत ने. Let's talk about the main thing, जो जुनैद का परफॉर्मेंस है. It's his debut film and it does seem that way. He is a good actor, but he's still not as seasoned as, again, he's facing Jaideep Ahlawat in this film. तो वो थोड़े जो difference है in both of their skill set does become evident. He's playing a social reformer and journalist and a very prominent one. तो वो जो क्रांति वाले dialogues हैं, जो important monologues हैं, he had to say those properly and convincingly, and that he does. And that is why this is a performance that might not be like a Hall of Fame performance, but it's still quite memorable. Next to the charming and assertive Karsan Das is Jaideep अहलावत, जिनका स्क्रीन प्रेजेंस ही इतना मैग्नेटिक है एंड इन दिस फिल्म इतना पेनफुल टू वॉच है, इज दैट द एक्टिंग इज सो गुड कि आपको जयदीप अहलावत पे ही गुस्सा आने लग जाता है. एंड दैट इज ट्रूली द मार्क ऑफ अ परफॉर्मर हु बिकम्स हिज कैरेक्टर. द शालिनी पांडे हु प्लेज दिस डो-eyed woman who's been disillusioned by everything she knows, everything around her is just crumbling and falling apart, and she plays that role quite convincingly, even though काफी जगह मुझे ऐसा लगा कि हम आलिया भट्ट को स्क्रीन पे देख रहे हैं. The true spark in the script, असली मजा तब आता है जब शर्वरी वाघ enters the screen. If you watch Munjia and Maharaj one after the other, you will definitely want to start a Sharvari Wagh fan club because wow, what a fierce presence to have on screen. Literally ऐसा लगता है कि second half में फिल्म उड़ने लगी. Even if she has dialogues that are repetitive, वो annoying नहीं लगता है. Annoying की बात अगर करे तो this film is a rare case जहाँ पे कोई song sequence हो, अगर वो लंबा भी हो तो उतना annoying नहीं लगता है. It's just very fun to watch, especially the होली वाला sequence. Now that is out of the way, let's talk about the film's language. Film 1860s में based है and some light reading and research will kind of show you how social reform conversations are happening at that point. उस टाइम के जो writings है of the 1850s and 60s, they talked about a lot of scientific innovation. They also talked about women's emancipation at a very basic level. There's also the ideas of widow remarriage that we get to hear, but still ये जो सारे social reforms है वो still happening in the confines of the patriarchal idea of family. फिल्म का जो लैंग्वेज है डील्स विद अ कपल ऑफ थिंग्स. वन इज फेथ वर्सेस ब्लाइंड फेथ, देयर इज रेवोल्यूशन, देयर इज वुमेन एंड कास्ट. इस सब में से जो पहला कन्वर्सेशन है ऑफ फेथ वर्सेस ब्लाइंड फेथ हैज अ मोर नुआंस्ड काइंड ऑफ अप्रोच टू इट, एंड इवन सम ऑफ द मोस्ट पावरफुल डायलॉग्स कर्टसी स्नेहा देसाई कम फ्रॉम दिस, स्पेशली द वन दैट गोज, जो भक्त सवाल ना पूछ सके वो अधूरा है, एंड अ फेथ दैट कांट आंसर दीज क्वेश्चंस इज आल्सो इनकम्प्लीट. थ्रू Karson's ideas and how people around him reacted to it, the film looks into how social reform worked at that time. And also in general, a lot of conversations in this film are very timely. आपको दिखता है कि he's just asking questions and people are very upset about that because they either don't have the answers to it or don't want to answer those questions. Through JJ, the film now looks at how blind faith and even power or how the combination of two can be extremely harmful. Film constantly ये कहती रहती है कि सवाल पूछो, हर चीज़ के बारे में सवाल पूछो, क्योंकि सवाल पूछना गुनाह नहीं होना चाहिए. बचपन से ही हम हर चीज़ के बारे में सवाल पूछते हैं. समथिंग एज सिंपल एज ओ 8 बजे के बाद अंधेरा क्यों हो जाता है, वो जो वहाँ पेड़ पे पक्षी बैठी है वो कौन सी वाली है, या ओ क्या मैं आधा घंटा और वीडियो गेम खेल लूँ. पर उसके बाहर the film's language around women and caste is much less nuanced. For instance, some of the scenes I do understand are period-based misogyny. I get that, but the film in itself could have done better. The language of caste also has a bit of an Article 15 savior complex problem. There are some kind of instances in the backdrop where they're trying to tackle the conversation around caste, but the research is just not nuanced enough. It just feels very surface level. The actual reading into caste politics properly is absent. I'm not expecting the characters to have 2024 level of wokeness as some would say, but I do expect the film to have it. जो film का scale है is massive. There are parts where it does feel like a set instead of a setting, but even despite that वो एक जो पुराने TV shows वाला nostalgia है ना, that saves the film in most parts. Though if I'm remembering right, the character of Jadunath in real history, the research that I did, had a lot of public debates, I think also in the press, and those are sadly absent from the film. ऐसा लगता है कहीं कहीं कि the makers of Maharaj have focused so much on the characters कि वो story फिर एक back seat ले लेती है. That being said, Maharaj isn't a bad film. It's actually also kind of an important film in some ways क्योंकि जो conversations हैं around say independent journalism, around social reform, around misogyny, the conversations it hesitates or at least doesn't have about caste are conversations we should still be having to this day. How does Karsan Das or a social reformer even today get their message across? Are we questioning the truth or are we questioning misinformation? These are all questions that Maharaj places in front of you and does give you a lot of stuff to properly think about, and I hope that you do. And that being said, my rating for Maharaj is 3 stars out of 5.